In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a green screen background using Photoshop. This is an essential skill for anyone working with images that need a new background, whether you're creating digital art, making movie posters, or just wanting a fun new background for your photos. By following these instructions, you'll be able to seamlessly separate your subject from that green screen and place them into any setting you desire. So, let's get started. First, open your image in Photoshop. It's quite common to open an image only to find that the background layer is locked, preventing us from making necessary edits. To unlock it, simply double-click on this layer in your Layers panel, which converts it into a regular layer. This simple action clears the way for the editing magic to begin. Next, navigate your way to the top menu and select Select, then choose Color Range from the drop-down. This feature allows you to precisely select parts of your image based on color, which is essential for effectively removing the green screen. In the color range dialog that pops up, you'll find the eyedropper tool readily available. Click on various green areas of the background. This begins to select these shades of green. If your photo has different shades of green, you can hold down the Shift key and continue clicking or even dragging the cursor across those areas. This ensures that all the green is included in your selection. You'll then notice the fuzziness slider. Adjust this slider as needed until your green background is vividly visible in white in the preview window, while your subject should be starkly black. This visual representation helps you see what exactly will be removed when we proceed. If you notice that your subject ends up selected instead of the green, just check the invert box. This switches your selection, targeting the green area instead of your subject. Once you're content with your selection, click OK. At this point, you should see a selection outline around your subject, or around where the green screen background used to be. With the selection active, go to the Layers panel and click the Add Layer Mask button. This clever tool hides the green background, leaving your subject intact. At this stage, you're ready to get creative. You can now place a new background underneath your subject. Simply drag in a new image layer into Photoshop and position it below your subject layer. This allows your newly cut out subject to seamlessly integrate with the new background you've chosen. Finally, after admiring your handy work, you'll need to save your project. If you want to maintain the transparency, especially if you plan on superimposing your subject onto different backgrounds later, be sure to save your image as a PNG file. PNGs are great for their support of transparent backgrounds. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your image by removing the green screen background using Photoshop.